Hey, what's up guys, Rohit here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how can go ahead and set an alarm on your Xiaomi Mi Band 2. So with that being said, without pretty much delay, let's get started. So you guys can see I've just paired it my phone with the Mi Band 2 and I'm using the Mi Fit application. You need to open this application and just get into the settings and select a device in which you want to set the alarm. Of course, it's Mi Band 2. After going ahead, just get into the alarm section, and in alarm section you need to set the alarm at a time when your Mi Band will ring or vibrate. So I'm selecting the time over here and setting the alarm onto the Mi Band 2 as well as on my device. So you guys can see here the alarm is set on the device as well as in the Mi Band 2. So that's it. Now go ahead and see how it's performed. So you guys can see here the alarm is ringing on my Mi Band 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm long pressing the touch capacitive button on the Mi Band 2, and you guys can see here the snap has been snoozed over here. So that's pretty much it for the day guys. So guys, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the face coming over there in the video, and if you have any questions or queries, let me know in the comment section below. Catch you guys later on the next one.